Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Events by Collette and my sous chef Reese. Today,
And giraffe.
See, Giraffa is Spinosaurus. They are going to be joining us today. So, now that we've gotten started, today we are going to be making a refreshing summertime/springtime, depending on where you live. As you know, we live in Austin, Texas, so right now it's basically already summer with the heat that we have. We're making a bok choy peanut salad. Why bok choy? Well, it's a great alternative to kale.
Bok choy.
Hey, bok choy.
Bok choy.
If you are tired of leafy greens such as kale and spinach, bok choy. See, osos. And there are bears on my apron. Bok choy is a great alternative. It's used in many Asian foods, such as in China and in Korea. So we're going to be using that today. We've already cut up most of them, but if you are not familiar with what bok choy looks like, we're going to cut this up and add it to our already chopped off bowl right here.
Giraffe daddy. Spinosaurus.
So we are going to be using 2 pounds of bok choy today. Baby bok choy. There is a difference. So I've already chopped off the stem here. We're just going to cut it lengthwise like you would with a cucumber, basically. It looks beautiful. It looks just like a flower right here. When you're cutting, always make sure you have your thumb in. If you go like this, yes, you're going to chop it off. So we always want to make sure you have thumbs in. Cierto, baba? Huellas adentro. Just going to cut the whole thing. We try to do a lot of prep work for this already, just to make the video short as usual, but wanted to show you this part just because it's fun. We're going to cut off a little more of the stem here because it's a little too hard there.
Yuppie!
Woohoo! Okay, this can go in compost. Okay, Reese, vamos a poner bok choy adentro. Reese, bok choy adentro, por favor.
Honey.
Oof. Okay. So as I always say, if you haven't had your toddler starting to cook in the kitchen with you, it's a great idea. Good for bonding. See, buena idea. It's great for bonding. They learn how learn math, motor skills, and it increases their palate. I always tell everyone what my mother said. You have to try everything at least once before you say you don't like it. You would be surprised at how many things you will like if you just try it once.
Yes.
Bueno. Okay, Reese.
It's mine.
See. Okay, and we have cilantro. Yes. We already chopped it up for you, but yes, cilantro, it smells so good. ¿Quieres oler? Vamos a añadir, vamos a combinar cilantro con bok choy. Okay, we have Giraffa y Spinosaurus. They are eating. Okay, ellos pueden comer. Vamos a combinar. So yes, we have bok choy and cilantro chopped up right here. Okay, Reese. And right here, this is special. This actually came right out of our garden. We're going to be adding 1 cucumber, basically a medium-sized cucumber, just chopped up. Reese, ¿quieres añadir pepino?
Pepino.
Hey. And as usual, I will post the amount of each of the ingredients along with the recipe. Okay, tú puedes. Sí, muy bien. Muy bien. Perfecto. Okay, this in the dishwasher. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, tú puedes probar. And here's a great example of he's increasing his palate by trying a garbanzo bean just right out of the can. We're adding 1 can of strained and rinsed garbanzo beans. Okay, ¿tú puedes? ¿Puedes añadir en la ensalada, por favor?
Yes.
Hay más que 10. Oh, wait.
No quiero estos más por aquí.
Okay, tú puedes. And last but not least, in the ingredients, we're going to be adding peanuts. These are freshly peeled, freshly shelled peanuts. I actually made a mistake ordering peanuts the other day from Costco. I thought I ordered a bag of already out of the shell peanuts. So we're having fun taking out the peanuts from the shells if we actually want to eat peanuts here in this household. So thanks to my husband, we went ahead and shelled these for me today. Okay, Reese, ponemos los cacahuetes adentro, por favor. Woo! And here we have a beautiful display of nuts, garbanzo beans, cucumber, cilantro, and bok choy. Last but not least, we are going to be making the dressing, which we won't put on today because we're actually going to eat this for dinner. But we will go ahead and mix it up and demonstrate that for you. The dressing actually has something in it that is out of the ordinary when it comes to cooking. Usually when you have...
¿Cómo le gusta ese sistema?
A mí me gusta.
Oh.
Sí. Animos de Tamari is aminos de coco. Right?
Animos de coco.
So yes, as we were just conversing, many people have, oh wait, Reese, momento, okay? Momento. Many people have a soy and gluten allergy. I happen to have both. I used to eat Tamari, which is a great soy sauce alternative, which most typical Asian cuisine dishes have on them. But I needed to find an alternative for something that wasn't Tamari, which does not have any gluten in it, but it still has soy in it. One day I just discovered that, why am I still having problems when I'm having tamari and edamame and all that good stuff at, for example, sushi restaurants. So I read about coconut aminos, and it's a perfect alternative if you have a soy and a gluten allergy. It's a little sweet, but muy bien. Okay, nos vemos pronto. So if you are looking for an alternative, if you have a soy allergy and a gluten allergy, coconut aminos is definitely the way to go. As I tried to mention before Reese had to use the facilities, if you already eat tamari is a little on the sweeter side from your average soy sauce, as is coconut aminos. So it's just that little trade-off of if you really want to have soy sauce. Sí, coconut amino. Amino de coco. Say.
Amino de coco.
Okay, so first aquí. Vamos a poner aquí. We're going to put this on the side because Reese is very anxious to put it in. We're going to be making the dressing, which we will put on the salad later. Reese, ¿quieres ayudarme con el limón?
No.
No? Okay. So we are going to be adding garlic, which we already went ahead and peeled and crushed for you. Normally what you would do is put the coconut aminos, olive oil, lime, and garlic in a food processor and blend it all together. We wanted to go ahead and demonstrate just the simplicity of everything and not have too many noises and make it really quick for you today. So we have our 2 medium cloves of garlic, and we're going to be adding the juice of 1 lime. Yes, we happen to have a very large lime today. You get what you get when it comes to the pandemic right now. when you have a grocery store pickup when you're afraid to go in the store. If you haven't invested in a lime or lemon squeezer, I highly recommend it. It makes your life so much easier. Instead of using a fork or trying to do it with your hands. My son usually loves to use this thing, but he's hungry right now. Tú tienes mucho hambre. So we're gonna go ahead and compost these lime peels, or if you want to, you can put them down your garbage disposal. It does give it a nice clean scent. Muy fuerte.
Really hard, Dad. Really hard.
Be careful not to squeeze it in your eye. Also, we do that to poor Reese a lot.
Daddy always use for lemon in my eyes and I say, ow.
Hey, okay. Now for the coconut aminos and for the olive oil.
Coconut amino.
Say, we're gonna be doing 2 tablespoons of each of the aminos and the olive oil. Aceite de olivo y amino de coco. Whoop. Uno. ¿Quieres ayudarme o tú tienes hambre? Okay,
Yep.
tú tienes hambre. Usually Reese likes to measure out everything for me, but he is starving right now apparently. Tú tienes mucho hambre. Okay. Uno y dos. Woo! Boom. Okay, we're just gonna mix it all together. And when you're ready to eat your salad, just go ahead and drizzle this on. And it looks like Reese is going to be eating all the garbanzo beans, so I'll just have to add some more of those later. But there you have it. A nice, refreshing, simple salad full of simple ingredients. These ingredients are pretty easy to find at your local supermarket. Bok choy actually has become a pretty common leafy greens, so you shouldn't have trouble getting it. The coconut aminos is the one thing that you might have to order online. But other than that, have fun, bon appetit.
Mamá, ¿cómo estaba tu día?
¿Cómo estaba mi día? Está bien,
Pero,
está bien.
¿qué es tu parte?
¿Cuál parte estaba mi favorita?
Sí.
Cocinando contigo. Okay, muy bien. Thank you again for joining us. As always, I will post this recipe on our blog and Instagram, and a video will be connected to everything. And we'll see you all next week. Ciao!